Welcome to Car Culture Club, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, insights, and updates on the coolest rides hitting the streets. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia Carnival GUV, a stylish and feature-packed family vehicle that blends practicality with premium comfort and modern technology. This grand utility vehicle is designed for those who need space without sacrificing aesthetics or innovation. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Carnival GUV carries a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces around 290 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and a confident drive whether you're on city streets or the open highway. Kia's engineering ensures that despite its size, the Carnival handles with surprising agility and comfort, offering a quiet and composed ride. One of the standout features of the 2025 Carnival is its spacious and flexible interior. Seating for up to 8 passengers makes it ideal for larger families or group travel. The second-row VIP lounge seats available on higher trims offer a first-class experience, complete with reclining features and footrests. The third row folds flat easily, offering impressive cargo space when needed, and dual-power sliding doors add convenience for passengers on the go. Tech-wise, the Carnival doesn't hold back. A large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster pairs seamlessly with a matching infotainment screen in higher trims, creating a sleek and futuristic cockpit layout. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the available Bose premium audio system provides immersive sound quality. USB ports are strategically placed in all 3 rows, keeping devices charged for every passenger. Safety has been a priority in this year's model. Kia has included a suite of driver assistance systems such as forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. A surround view monitor and safe exit assist feature provide extra confidence in busy parking lots and city traffic. The exterior styling of the 2025 Carnival is bold and SUV-like, making it stand out in a sea of conventional minivans. The signature tiger nose grille, sleek LED lighting, and strong body lines give it a modern and aggressive edge. Alloy wheels ranging from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim add to its road presence. Available two-tone color schemes and blacked-out trim packages offer buyers some customization flair. Whether you're using it for daily commuting, road trips, or hauling kids and gear, the 2025 Kia Carnival GUV delivers a premium experience at a value-focused price point. Kia continues to redefine what a family vehicle can look and feel like, and the Carnival is a clear example of that evolution. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more car reviews, news, and comparisons, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Culture Club for all things automotive. Weave.